Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Hey there, welcome to Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you've ever towed a trailer, you know it can be hard on you, it can be hard on your vehicle, it can be hard on the trailer that you're towing, but there's a solution here, Ryan. At Anderson Hitches, you guys have come up with a better mousetrap. I've never seen anything like this. Tell me how your hitch works.
Well, Dave, we've been really excited about this hitch. This hitch is unique in how it has a bounce control system put into it with these urethane rubber springs, and we've got built-in sway control system in here. It's all built in the head. It looks really nice. It's lightweight. The product's got a lifetime warranty on it. Super install. It's only got 6 bolts to put on, 2 set screws. It takes about 15 minutes to set it up. We really like it.
It looks great. Where is everything made?
Everything's made in Idaho Falls, Idaho. It's all U.S. steel product that we bring in and manufacture it all in-house.
How important is that to you to have control of the quality of the materials that you're using?
We've outsourced some things over the years, and those things become very difficult to get them in hand. Manufacturing everything in-house, we get to control the quality and the time when we're going to start making that product, and we don't have to wait on other people. It's been great.
What was the inspiration for creating this?
You know, we get out using these trailers a lot on our own, and we always want to create something that's going to solve that little problem. So at Anderson's, we've always pulled our team together, and we really strive to have that quality product that we can deliver for ourselves. And we know that when we have that great product for ourselves, then we can carry it on with our customer.
What's the kind of reaction you get from folks who put this on their vehicle for the first time and they see a difference?
Mind's blown when they go out and pull with their trailer and they see how smooth it is and how great the product really works. They always come back, they're just unbelievable. You can look at the reviews online, and this product has really got a great review on it.
What are some of the considerations you had to look at when you're building this as far as the drop and the weight that it needs to carry?
So there's all the different vehicles out there. People lift their trucks, or different 1/2 tons to 3/4 tons, 1 tons, trailers, different heights and stuff. So we do have this thing in different shank sizes from 2-inch, 2.5 and 3-inch. We've got our 4-inch drop and our 8-inch drop. You can use it in the drop or rise position. So that covers about everything out there.
So tremendously versatile.
Yeah.
And how long has this hitch been around?
So we designed this hitch 10 years ago. It took us a few years to make it really good, and we just haven't had any squelches over the last 4 years. It's been a perfect hitch.
Lifetime warranty, so you know you stand behind the product.
Absolutely, yeah.
I see a lot of parts here, but how complicated is the installation?
You know, it's really simple, Dave. All we do is measure a trailer and get it level to the ground. We drop in our, what we call the rack. We slide it into the receiver and pin it in place. We measure to the top of the coupler on the trailer, and we set our ball height at about 1.5 inches higher than that, and we bolt it in place. We set the trailer onto the ball, and then we hook on what we call our sway plate. That hooks onto the bottom of the ball, and then we put our chains on, lace them through the brackets, and we put the nut on the back end, and we pull the bracket tight on the frame. We tighten it down to 75 foot-pounds of torque, and we're ready to roll.
Explain the physics of the whole thing. How does it work?
These chains, we put them under extreme tension. You're looking at around 2,000 pounds of force when you tighten the tension nut. And that goes through what we have here is a urethane rubber spring. It's a very hard durometer of urethane, and it creates a bounce control. When you're going down the road and you hit a dip in the road or a bridge you may cross over, you always feel the trailer jerk back on you or create that bounce. And these springs absorb that. As the truck settles, it squeezes the spring. The spring doesn't have a springy tendency like, say, your traditional weight distribution hitch. It's got a big 27-inch long spring bar on it. This only has the power to lift your truck back to the level where you set it when you left home. It eliminates that bounce, so it's got great bounce control. It's the only one in the industry that has it. And then all of your sway control is all built in this head internally, so everybody gets it. You don't have to purchase it separately. It works with the heavier the trailer, the more sway control, the lighter the trailer, then the sway control is even lighter. So the system just works for your trailer no matter what you hook to it.
Ryan, our guys have tried it. They love it. They can really see the difference, and I know you'll see the difference at home too. You can get one for your vehicle at AndersonHitches.com. We'll be right back with more cool products here on Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Do not touch that dial.